Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's take a look at this 2018 Toyota Highlander Limited. It is in the Blizzard Pearl exterior with black leather. As far as options go, we'll take a look at those. We have the special color clear protection hood package, phone charger and carpet mats for a total of $44,357. Gas mileage is going to be 21 city and 27 out on the highway. We are riding on 19-inch alloys with Toyota Open Country tires. And then coming around back, we do have rear parking sensors, backup camera, power trunk, as well as the separate glass that can be popped open. Smart key access, so just keep the key fob on you. Hand behind the door handle to unlock. Then coming in, this one does have 73 miles on it. Foot on the brake, button to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, we have the 3.5 liter dual overhead cam V6 engine. It's going to feature D4S direct import fuel injection, producing 295 horsepower, 263 foot-pounds of torque, all heading to the front wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. There is also an available all-wheel drive system and a hybrid powertrain. So let's check out the interior. Now coming back in, we have that black leather interior on this model. It's going to be perforated for heated and vented functions, contrast brown stitching. All your power adjustments down below with power lumbar, thigh extension, and it's all connected to your 2-person memory right there in the door. So we'll go ahead and hop in. Coming to your door panels, nice and padded up top. Padded on your armrest with all your automatic windows, power locks and power mirrors. Over here on the dash, you do have your automatic high beams, auto start stop, power trunk, windshield wiper deicer, and your parking sensors with a little bit of storage below that. But coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke leather-wrapped wheel. We have our audio controls as well as voice commands and Bluetooth. Full-way D-pad for our center LCD between our gauges, as well as our lane keep assist, dynamic radar cruise, and cruise control on a separate stalk. Over on the left, automatic headlights, fog lights, and tap-to-3 blinks blinkers. Over on the right is just going to be your variable intermittent speed wipers and rear wiper controls. Dashboard's all a nice stitched padded material, of course, with your nice little technology shelf right here. But checking out your audio system, this is going to be the premium JBL audio. Source-wise, you'd have AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going home, of course, you do have your split screen view you can customize with navigation right here. You do have your HD traffic as well as destination input via an address, a point of interest, or 6 different presets down below right there. You'd have easy speak volume, which basically just amplifies your voice through the Bluetooth microphones in the rear seat. And then going to your apps, of course, you do have traffic, Eco Monitor, you'd have your weather and maintenance as well. Below that, Tri-Zone automatic climate control with your driver and front passenger temperatures, rear zone right here for your second row passengers. That aforementioned technology shelf that does have a little cord pass-through to the 2 charging USBs down there, USB auxiliary and a 12-volt. You have your snow and traction control modes. Then we also do have our 8-speed automatic with sport mode and manual shift. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera and parking sensors, cup holders, and tri-stage heated and vented seats. Nice padded armrest that does open right up to reveal plenty of storage and a 12-volt down there. Glove box opens to reveal your charger we saw on the window sticker as well as your owner's manuals. Auto dimming rearview mirror up top. Mirror and vanity lights on the sun visor, as well as some map lights, sunglass storage with conversation mirror, and of course your garage home link, as well as your one-touch automatic sunroof. So we'll go ahead and close that back up, and then we can check out the rear seat. And coming back here, this is going to be the 8-passenger configuration, so you do have the bench seat back here in the second row. Climbing in, all your door panel materials follow through with the padding and padding on your armrest. You have a nice sunshade right here with your automatic window and door storage. Front seat 7x5'9" driving frame, plenty of room, plenty of footroom down below as well. We do have that rear climate zone as well as 2 USB charging outlets and a household power outlet. Over here to my right, with this being the bench seat, you do have a nice padded armrest with cup holders. And then up top, we do have some damp cornering handles with coat hooks, vents, and illumination. So we'll go ahead and check out the third row briefly, the cargo area, and then we'll wrap up the video. Go ahead and pull this lever right here for the third row access. It does allow you to slide your seat forward, giving you a nice passageway back there into the 3-seat bench. Of course, you do have cup holders on either side with the same vents and illumination as the second row. Belts for 3 back there, of course. Let's slide that seat back and check out the cargo area. Coming back here, to open up your separate glass popper, just go ahead and press that black button. It allows you to throw some smaller items through the glass if you don't want to open up the full hatch. Then press your membrane underneath your Toyota logo to open it right up. There is also a button inside and a button on the key. But coming back here, we do have adequate room behind your third row of seats, and they do fold down easily 60-40 to expand cargo room even more. And the same goes for the second row to expand cargo room. Underneath your cargo floor, you have a little bit of storage as well as your tonneau cover, and your spare tire is located underneath the vehicle. So we'll go ahead and close up our tailgate. The tailgate is actually height adjustable as well, so if your garage does hang a little bit lower, you can adjust the tailgate accordingly. But that about wraps it up for the 2018 Toyota Highlander Limited. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.